Welcome to Programming ABC. Today I show how to make a moving text using Python, wxPython, and I make this interface using wx form builder. It is easy for wxPython to make interface easily. This is my interface, form, sizer box, then I add a panel, sizer box 2, then 3 sizer box and 1 sizer box panel, empty panel, second sizer box add a label, and third sizer box add 3 button, start button, stop button and exit button. This button event has a set frame moving text by PROGRAMMING Programming ABC. Add a timer, period interval 10, enable false, not check, and on time event time tick, save, and Python code generation. Python generate code, here wx form builder generated code. App equal wx app false frame my frame none frame dot show app main loop at first check stop start and exit button. Remove this button. Now it shows no error or no message. At first we write exit button code. Before writing this, we write after timer self self dot x equal 0 and self self dot w equal 500. Form void write form void exit button self self dot timer 1 dot destroy destroy stop timer 1 stop and self dot destroy from close from destroy timer 1 stop save make select all untype horizon 4 otherwise it shows error during run. Stop button set the timer dot stop stop timer dot start start. Now time tick if self self dot x double equal self self dot w, then self self dot x equal minus 300 else self self dot x else self dot x equal self self dot x plus 2 and position statics text control V self dot statics text dot set set position set position. You should set statics text 1. I use 2 statics text. First I delete. You write this statics text that you are want to moving or animating. Set position wx dot point self self dot x comma and enter. Now panel panel 1 self dot panel 1 refresh refresh run. It is moving or working left to right. Stop start stop start. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.